friend. He was already in the plumbing and HVAC program. He told me to come in here. He told me to shout for it and try it, and I pretty much liked it. It's hands-on. It's real hands-on and everything. Here you can actually work on stuff, as you can see here. You can actually dig holes to put the pipes in here, do HVAC, AC, and heating and all this other stuff.
You know what you're doing when you go into the field. It's like you probably have a better chance of getting a job than other people do. Just a good program to get into. Start off your career. Start off early.